left off, we had just got through doing the default settings, the header we did the header section, we were in the home page settings. We've already done the banner section. What was this here? We're going to go to the about section. The about section is going to be right here. This is what I call the why choose us section. Here's about us. This is going to be the title. It's going to be the description. Let me go back here and show you about section. If you missed any of the videos before, there's description. There's links to the other videos in the description for the whole series here. So you got the about section. You go over here, and it's not enabled yet. You got select page, title, description, select a page will display on section title and description. So we're going to have to create pages because the only pages we got created so far is the home and the blog page. So we'll have to have an about section here. This is going to be that section right here. We're going to try to put a little video in there, and then there's going to be 3 sections here, which is going to be page or post 1, 2, and 3. All right, so we got to go back into WordPress and put these pages in there so that we can enable this and import those in there. So let's go back over here. We're on the page section already, so add new. And I've already got the about section titled. This is a keyword heavy on here. All right, and we're going to Control C, Control V. Actually, there we go. I was in the wrong section here. Alright, be careful whenever you edit. This is the visual, this is a text. The text is actual the HTML code. That takes the HTML code. This takes the regular, what you see is what you get, WYSWYG editor for what you're going to put on your page. So I'm going to go down here and, so no, I'm not, this is not a, let's close this back out. This is where I want to put the video. We want to put a video up here, right? So put my cursor up there. I want to go over here to YouTube. So why do I need a website for my business? Because, okay, so when you get to a video you want to embed on your blog, this is a good way of doing it. You come down here to the share. All right, you hit embed. That's going to be the code. But before you do that, you know, you want to come down here. It's a good size, 560 by 315. Let's take the suggested videos off, and let's take this title off. So we're going to leave show player controls. That way they can play it or stop it and whatever they want. So now that you got that done, you can go over here, copy this, copy that code, come back over here. Remember I said you got HTML right here. Go over here. Let's just paste it there. Alright, now let's take a visual look at it. And there it is. You can actually highlight it and it should go to the center. Maybe, maybe not. But the program's going to bring it back to the center. So come over here and publish. Alright, you can add new page. Alright, this is a new page. Page 1 post here. This is the title. The content. Oh, let's see. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to hurry here. Control V. All right. You come over here, select featured image, upload files, select. Remember, we're trying to put new pictures in here. I think I picked this one for the 24-hour service. So open that. Alright, select, update, or publish, I say. Alright, let's go back over here to this. And I'm sorry, we need to go back to the appearance, customize. Alright. So we're going to go back over here to homepage settings, come over here to about section. We're going to go ahead and hit enable. It's going to start looking for these pages. We're going to choose page, the plumbing services Houston, Texas was our about section, remember? So put that on there. And right now we got one page in there, so we got 24-hour emergency plumbing. All right, and we're going to hit save and publish. And that section should start coming together here. There we go. Plumbing services, Houston, Texas. We've got a video here, and it's got the bullet points. You can read all that. Here's the first video, our first section here. If you look at this here section here, we got rid of this, put a video, well, put a video right in there, and this is the first picture. Now we need to add these two here. All right, so that's the gist of it. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I'll start it back again. I'm going to add those other two pages, but that's basically the same process. You got to add two more pages in there, and then bring them in there and map them out. So I'm going to add those pages, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I'm just going to show you real quick that we added those two other pages, and I'll go back into WordPress and show you that those pages. Again, if you've missed any of those previous videos that go along with this one, they'll be down in the description below. So here's the pages we had. This one we already did. I'm sorry, it was going to be plumbing services, Houston, Texas. That was this section right here. And we put it on ours right there. All right. Now we got the one we did before we stopped the video. That last one was 24-hour emergency plumbing, which we did right here as the very first one. And right there, that's where we left off. Just like we add the page for this one that we did for the other one. So, which was licensed plumbers and home and commercial plumbing. And all we did basically was just bring in that content and added the picture. The same, and it's pretty much the same content on every page right now, but don't do that on your website. I just got to fill this up. This is some good actual reading material for local business websites. So if you get a chance to read that, also the video on there is good to listen to, as far as it's all about local business websites. All right, so this is the other page. You see we got the picture here, and it's been updated. So we're going to go over here into appearance, go back to the customize, and get back to that this menu here. All right, we're going to add, this is in the home page section, home page settings, and it's under the about section. All right, remember we got these two here, and we just made those two up. Now we're going to go ahead and select those. The second one was licensed plumber, and the third one was sorry about that, home and commercial plumbing. You see the screen is going white. That's because it's looking for that content to import it into. So it should be in there now. And see, guys, it's starting to come together. It's got the title page right here and a bit of the content right there. And actually, when you click these, it'll actually go to that page. So make sure we save and publish. Always want to save and publish. And we get over here to overlook at the site altogether, and we refresh it here. This is what it's going to look like on desktop. In here, I just kind of wrote a description of what needs to go there, some bullet points. I'll fix that here in a minute, and I'll explain this here in a second. But as you can see, everything's starting to come together. We're going to go ahead and clean this up. We made a mistake right here, and it's nothing big. We can go back and fix that up. Also, right here, I forgot to mention, we were trying to put this one more time call this right here, and I was going to show you how to actually put another call to action with the phone. But before we do that, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on a mobile phone. See, it comes with the mobile menu right here. Got the touch to call, and everything should be mobile responsive, such as that form. Everything looks nice and clean and even. You can read everything. We'll get that off. Here's your post, which you can 1, 2, and 3. As I put in nice and easy, nice and what do you call it? Nice and organized there, if you would. All right, let's go back to this and fix up those couple of pages there. The first one's going to be on the About page, so that's About section. That's the plumbing services. All pages. Plumbing services, edit. Okay, so we're back in here, and again, see, this is where you messed up right here. We just take that off. All right, now right here it says one more time, call us here. We can actually put this bold, caps, call us now 24/7. 24. All right, just you can actually put the phone number to set here too, but you don't have to put the number. I'll just put this right here. You can highlight that and come over here and put the link on there again and do the same thing. TEL:1 713555555. Just apply. Oops. Okay. TEL:171355555. Apply. Alright, they took it then. You see that? Alright, now we hit update. It should come back over here to the page. Refresh. You see that? Got the cursor over it, and it's 24/7. It's got the call. That's a touch to call, so you can actually touch that number now on your phone, and it'll call them. You can put the number in there. You could resize it. It might even be a good idea to put one right here as well. You kind of try to put those numbers in there, maybe even after here. Everywhere there's possibly, actually, you want to make sure there's a phone number. That'd be optimal. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Now we'll start up the next section here in the next video. Alright, thanks and God bless.